Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to get someone off your best friends list on Snapchat. Now, first thing you can do is, you can obviously tap on the profile, right? And then you can unpin them as your best friend, or you can pin them as your best friend, right? As you can see right here, but you need Snapchat Plus for that, right? So the only way here, what you can do is click on manage friendship, and then you can either block or remove friend, right? If you're not really in a good relationship with a friend, you can block him, right? Or you can remove a friend. But if you click remove, once they send you a message, they will appear or they will reappear here once again, right? So there's not actually a option to get someone off your best friends list other than that, right? You can block them to get them entirely out of your list, or you can remove them, right? That will basically remove them just for a couple of hours from your friends list, right? And that's pretty much it, right? So these are like a couple of ways you can do that. Again, if you want to unpin or pin someone as your best friend, then you will need to have Snapchat Plus, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. You have manage friendship, report, block, or remove. I would suggest, if you're not in a good relationship with them, just block them and yeah, move on. And if you want to remove them, just remove them, right? But there's no other way, right? There's no other way. This is the only way how to do it in 2022. So if you have any questions or concerns, comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.